Hi, I'm Matt with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're going to show you how to change the oil on the Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000 and 800. Okay, so the reason that we're changing the oil is the lifeblood of our machine. Basically, the oil is there to lubricate, it's there to help cool, and it's there to help seal. Can-Am recommends that we change the oil once a year, every 2,000 miles, or 100 hours, whichever one comes first. So let's get to it. To start out, you want to make sure that you're keeping safety first. We've got our safety glasses, our gloves, some rags, an oil drain pen to catch all the dirty oil. We've got our Tusk oil filter change kit, which comes with all the oil that we're going to need, our oil filter, our drain plug crush washer, and we've also got the Can-Am oil filter cover O-ring, which Can-Am recommends that you change. These basic hand tools are all you are going to need to get the job done, and always remember to reference your service manual, which is going to give you proper specs, procedures, and tips. The first thing you're going to want to do is start up your machine and get it to operating temperature. And please make sure you're doing this in a well-ventilated area. We've elevated our machine to give us easier access to the drain plug. If you do this, do so in a safe manner. Now that we've got our engine warm, we're going to crack our oil fill cap so the oil will drain quite a bit easier. Next, we're going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. Next, we're going to inspect our oil drain plug and replace our crush washer. This drain plug has a magnet in the middle of it, and usually there will be some debris around there, which is perfectly normal. The thing you want to look for is bigger chunks of metal that are going to indicate that we have a problem in our engine. So we're going to take our crush washer off of there, clean out our drain plug, put our new crush washer on, and now we're ready for reinstall. Okay, we are ready to reinstall our drain plug, but before we do so, we want to make sure that we're cleaning off the drain plug mating surface so there's no dirt or debris under there and we can get a solid fit. And with our new drain plug crush washer, we can tighten that and make sure that you torque that to 22 foot-pounds or 30 Newton meters. Next, we're going to remove the seats to gain access to the oil filter cover. Next, we're going to be removing the driver's seat bars. Next, we're going to need to remove this engine access panel. And you might have to remove your passenger seat bars, but to do this, we're just going to use a flat blade screwdriver to pop behind the head of these rivets, and there's 8 of these in all. Next, we're going to pull this engine service panel, and this might be the part where you need to remove your passenger seat bars. Next, we're going to remove the 3 bolts that hold the oil filter cap in place, and these are an 8mm. Next, we're going to clean the oil filter cover and replace the O-ring. And as we go to put our new oil filter O-ring on, we want to put some fresh oil around it, and our oil filter cap is ready to reinstall. Next, we're going to reinstall our oil filter, and as you do so, make sure that you put some fresh engine oil around the O-ring that sits inside the oil filter. Next, we're going to reinstall the oil filter cover with the 3 bolts, and these need to be torqued to 89 inch-pounds. Next, we're going to add 2.1 quarts of oil, which is the spec for both the 1000 and the 800. Now that we've added our oil, we're going to reinstall our dipstick, tighten it all the way down. We're going to start our machine for a minute, let the oil circulate through, shut the machine back off, let the oil settle, and then we'll recheck our oil level before we finish. Lastly, we'll reinstall the engine case cover, the seat bars, and the seats. So that's it. That's all there is to changing the oil on the Can-Am Maverick Trail 1000 and 800 series. Remember, you can get all these parts on our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this. I'm Matt. Thanks for watching.